So, hello once again. Today, I'm just going to show you one page. It's called, whatever, like you can say one page cheat sheet. So, whenever we are answering, we are trying to answer the RCT text, reference to context or reading comprehension text passage. So, the first step that we need to remember is identify quickly. Whenever you see the quoted lines, you have to identify quickly the poet name, the poem name, theme or clue, and the style. Style, it can be metaphysical, romantic, and pastoral. Next thing that we need to identify is poet identification clues. We need to identify the poet. So you have to see properly. Is it a conceit, argument, bold tone? Then it has to click on your mind. It is John Donne. Then if it is nature worship, memory, then we think of Wordsworth. And if it is religious struggle, then it is George Herbert. Next, solitude, garden. So we need to remember it's Andrew Marvell. And elegy, loss. So it has to quickly trigger on your mind, it is Milton. And then marriage song, it is Spencer. So these are poet identification clues which we have to remember. Next, most expected themes: love versus time, nature as healer, spiritual conflict, death and immortality, innocence and childhood. So these are the most expected themes. Now, next we have to identify the common tones. You have to write any one. It can be meditative, reflective, passionate, melancholic, or devotional. These are the common tones you will find. Now, imagery, quick guide. Nature, is it visual imagery? Sound, auditory imagery. Emotion, pain, it is tactile imagery. That's some of the basic things we need to remember while answering. Now, symbol shortcut. Sun, you have to remember it's all about time and love. Garden, innocence and peace. Light, it's divine truth. Journey, it's all about life. So remember this also, 10 mark answer frame. Whenever we are answering, we have to give an introduction, poet plus poem plus theme. Context, next one is context. In context, you have to see the situation and feeling of the poet. Then the third is explanation, where you have to give the meaning plus idea about the poem. Fourth is tone and theme. Anyone. Is it meditative or melancholic? And the theme of the poem. Last is conclusion. Its importance. Why it's important. So never do this. Never copy the lines. Never skip context. Write difficult language. You don't have to write it. Just write very simple English. And never forget poet name. Now some exam hall mantra, simple English. If we write simple English, we get full marks. 5 to 7 points enough. Calm writing plus clear thinking. And the last line to remember, explain meaning, not lines. Always remember this whenever we are doing reading comprehension text or, reference to context. That's all for today. I hope it helps. Thank you.